Hi Prepsters, this is Ola with Pandemic Prepsters, and I went to DollarTree because I wanted to challenge myself to do a 72-hour kit for 2 people, and this is what I found. Now I looked for expiration dates that were pretty good, so I did oatmeal. Yes, you will be eating oatmeal for 3 days, but that's okay. You can change it up by adding some raisins or adding some peanut butter or something to it. And here I have for lunches, I have some peanut butter and jelly with crackers. And then I have some tuna creations. They have lots of different flavors. Tuna with crackers for lunch. And then for another lunch, we have these mini raviolis. Again, 2 people, so 1 each can. And then for my first dinner, I have some chili beans with some jasmine rice and some fruit cocktail. Another meal idea is they have different flavors. I like the roasted garlic, so roasted garlic, mashed potatoes with some chicken chunks and some corn thrown in there. And then for my last meal, pork and beans with some Vienna sausages, some pears and green beans. And of course, you're gonna need a can opener and a way to heat. So what I found was this brownie pan, sternos, and a little wire basket, all at the Dollar Tree. And you're able to then heat right there. Some wipes just to keep your hands clean, and of course some snacks. So I found some Jell-O, some pudding, some peanuts, some cookies, and some hard candies. And of course, you're gonna need some type of eating utensil. And I forgot about the coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I have loved ones that are. So there you go. This is my haul, and don't forget you need water as well. Well, by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. This was all $50.